Too much GH. We need to go to Japan. A break and business TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko son show mo. No anybody debia. Madam, I say love you.
Abusiafo ene adofono mema obibia akwaba shronkon ede ebatuma GH eso kana wahala dwumedie ena ebre asosamusonfo muniaba epiesi kapa ena so mede ebebesomo na abusiafo ene de ye maami a oye pastor ene biemso osanso eye counselor Reverend Dr. Charlotte Odro wadi nsembi ababa betu eye edwam na ne nsemu no hu ne se nya by force wo se wo ba wo support ye bema na say or supporting you name so ba support out of love now what didn't some etu jana chese uchiche ensemu bebre efa enyoma mema binum eye obi wo honoma wo mo ba ni sika wo mane watoka man waye ni zinto hu ni say enwa eno na nso so on take care of the lady no emotionally na ebiemu nso na at least say wo senka won fa ne MP enyoma bi wo ha wo se wonye emfa emma wo ba no de onimu ane se wa ma ne chop money na wonu aduane nkwa de eye enough de emma no wo se de bi enu ntine eni kwan se mema binum so edwen se because o se bia wo ba no wo ye bibi se wo ye se de ma ntine enu ntine oba no so ebetimi aboa no ewo afa bi na eno na wo chi mu no wo de etu edwa esa ka ho se ewo mu se ewo bible mu se oba eye bema eseso boafo na ansa na wo ba ebetimi aboa bema no na ewo se emwa no anase o sa emwa na ebetimi efi oba ho aba no ena modo bema no ada na di edi ache no ene pa bema no aye ede ama no nyoma bema no eye ede ma no na bema oba na gina sa wo do no eso no ede aye de eso so ede aboa bema no enti enya by force anase enya de se eye enhye se ewo se oba ekoso anase oboso oba eye de eboa eye bema say it is not by force for your wife to support you. She supports you out of love. Ne no nso so sanso edibowra asofo binum afam wo chemu anache se obi wo hono mu a wakwakoye sofo asore ne asore project ne hu nkone banko anache se ne ni ewo som de oni mu a eno no wonhwe eye ne yira wo ne ewo hono asofo mame enti sofo mame ubehu sofo mame na wote wo address wo ba asore wa address kama na nso so na ni mu no enioma ekoso anches at least ubenya nka bema wo hono na so bema wo betina se no ne na atimi adweabo nyoma bi wo hono ma wonya eyesa akade ni nyina na ebusuafo moma ye nko ne nkonkotie eye maame Charlotte Odro ne nso de tu dwane ba ye beto aso
bi na ema na nya odo bi ani gie bi but the aware wo na o se we chop money na to no say beso say nso it is okay you need to accept it that way say we adwuma dia metwa wo so twa say bra oba ne boa wo no enye by force wo so boa wo eye odomu ne wo so de boa cause o your sense of boa for abeko many women are so embittered in their marriage and obi say me I want to divorce because I think I've swallowed this for 12 years and I think it's enough. And let me say what is happening. He said, mommy, my husband gives money outside, but when it comes to me, I can't speak to him because me can't ubeja. Or person that be I appreciate someone be I should be okay with it. Yes, me kunu ya dear. But there are one or two things that I need as a wife. But he's not paying attention. I don't normally most of the men don't pay attention to their wives. All they want is you do this for me, you need to do this. And they have every excuse why they would cheat because my wife is like that, my wife is like, listen, before a woman will get to a point where she will misbehave, there is something going wrong. Why don't you also give a little time to listen to the women? Or you also you be or Gianni or cleaning or no that be or yeah, it's okay, a bit straight, but behind their smile, no, they are embittered. We should get to this point. Now me can't back baby. Not me say me say dientia. Adam catching a they say Obana wouldn't bremino. I wanted to understand why Adam me only say radia money for chaye, but rather was apportioning blame to the woman. They wouldn't bremino. So most of the time, most of the men will point blames why they did what they did, why they think they have to cheat, why they took that decision without even considering what will push the woman to go to the stem say, yes, maybe she was alone. Maybe she needed somebody to talk to. Maybe she needed somebody that will see through her. So behind the smiles, there are pains inside. So it is time. But let me say this. I have many men of God. Because me suffer. Many men of God, Papa, bread do. But they can't say because of mommy. You couldn't suffer. 1 hour channel. Who do you talk to? It's about church, but behind her, she's going through pain because the pastor needs to take care of the church, the needs of the church, and everything, and neglect the woman in the house. Son, remember my my wife is okay. I bought a car. We have a house. We have everything, so she's fine. It's not about the car. It's not about the money, but it's about just giving a little time with her. Sometimes she just wants you to look at her and tell her, you look good. And that's how dressy. But to be at this, and then Ujina, so me show one name to why I come apart. Oh, but those young girl blew up on Tanya. They are ready to appreciate because, oh, they told me you're flat. Or Bano, when they told me you're flat. Maufo, who said, told me you're flat. And even if you want the Tommy to be flat, what input have you put in? They are ready to blame. Why I can see why I second to, brah, if you want your wife to look good, go get the things that will make her look good. Give it to her. Because you give it to the side chicks out there. You pay money. You know the needs of the other people outside, but the needs of our partners, and they also neglected the needs of their husbands. I know, so when my husband comes home, he needs to eat this. I need to pamper him. Me massaging the night. Let me man good sex. Also on your bill because she's embittered. But my problem is that anytime when I speak, the woman will say that I'm not standing with the men. But what I want to say is that the two wrongs can never make a right. If one is not trying to appreciate you, not because of what he's doing, you also have to pay him back. No, do your part as you must do it. But please, it is high time, sir. One day, sit down and ask yourself, what do you need apart from money, car, and everything? Tell me there is something that you need that I'm not doing. Your time, your patience, how you address her, how you take care of her. It's not all about money taking care of her. No, sometimes the passion of taking care of the woman. Not when you want to have sex. No, some women, some men, they don't even know how to treat their wives when it comes to taking them to the bed to make love to them. It's just having sex, and that is it.
I was here for say, and I am a meno a day and some no to a dry a year, okay, FM, a quanso jojo, a brow near papa, na yemia bema, a beku Santana, educating a year and common will be and some any so any to jam. No, this same way to jam, don't know when they say, yeah, dear, my man, doctor, and I say, Counselor Charlotte or draw a canon, and no quanso, and no, even one so any no, and yeah, I drink is and say, the fact is a bema, a Bible, I say, or buy a bema says so for enquire and winya say no maybe one more crampona was say or bano train say bema and son or also out of love what they are the fact is say I didn't down one was say a man in this because Bible say mema and I said bema bedron I didn't know the young castle or banning ye bibi and son bema no I don't know then so a constant say bema and don't say a constant there and then a ma and so deno one more engineer a year as so me mema as so a boy for every for HDD air cost so away my and some more with the 2 day what ye be what you be once so I didn't share if I anything Fabra it will too much GH comment section if you must like your videos not share all the social media platforms so follow your IG page your Twitter page so at my GH _ and our Facebook too much GH everything for na make I must say COVID-19 coronavirus and that's home into mama and share so now your nose mask your hand sanitizer stay away and some with soap and running water and so you take a year in place say the way I bet me abwa to yare yi ase ekwe skapa enemy that's the name give us an issue